Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna finally give you my most requested video, I think, like my full wash day routine. So if you follow me for a little bit of time, you know that I actually already have like my treatment routine, my hot oil treatment routine, my roll reset routine and all that stuff, but y'all really wanted like my full wash day routine, what I do like from beginning to the end. So I'm giving you that today, so I hope you're actually gonna enjoy it. So yeah, you're gonna see all the stuff that I do, so that explains why it takes like a little time to do my hair. So yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy it. So thank you for watching, guys. Okay, so I start with my hair in a bun, and then I just want to detangle my hair a little bit to be able to remove all the shedding hair that have been in my hair. So yeah, I just want to comb it out with a wide tooth comb. Then I wet my hair first, and then you're gonna see me making parts in my hair to be sure that all my scalp is being wet. So I don't want any part of my hair to still be dry. So I really make sure, especially when I have a lot of new growth, that's why I like to do. So first I'm gonna take my Head and Shoulder shampoo since I have dry scalp. So this is gonna be my first shampoo. So I really make sure to only apply the shampoo on my scalp, not on the length of my hair, because it's only gonna remove the natural moisture that is on my hair. So I only focus the shampoo on my scalp, and I really make sure to use the tip of my fingers, not my nails. So yeah, I really make parts to be sure that I have a direct access to my scalp. So then after that, I just rinse out my first shampoo. Then I'm gonna go with my second shampoo, which is actually the same Head and Shoulder, but I really make sure that my scalp is clean, so that's why I apply this one twice. So yeah, I know you guys really wanted to see this full wash day routine, so I actually had to film in my parents' shower, my parents' bathroom, because mine doesn't allow me to open the door while filming. So yeah, I did it when my parents were not there, so don't tell them, please. Thanks. So as you can see, my third shampoo is actually with my Cream of Nature moisturizing shampoo to bring back some moisture after the Head and Shoulder one that I used, because that one was really harsh. So I'm trying to bring back some moisture. So when I'm done, I just squeeze my hair to remove all the excess water. And then after that, I'm gonna take a 100% cotton t-shirt to remove even more water. So you don't want to use a towel for that, use a cotton t-shirt, because the towel is only gonna remove all the moisture that is on your hair. So yeah, I really make sure to roll it real tight, and then I'm gonna keep it for like 15 minutes. So you can see here my 5, 5, 5. So after that, I'm gonna go with my hot oil treatment. So today I'm using a Jamaican black castor oil, and I also add a little bit of coconut oil. I didn't show it, but yeah. So I did warm it a little bit, then I'm gonna apply it to my scalp. So yeah, you guys know I already have a video about that, all detailed. So yeah, I'm gonna put it a link to it. So I just massage it, and then after that I'm gonna put a plastic cap. Oops, no, I'm actually gonna put my all over hair treatment from Cream of Nature, from the Argan Oil line that I really like. So yeah, And I'm really gonna focus on the ends because that's the driest part of my hair. And then I'm gonna put it on a ponytail and then apply the plastic cap. I'm sorry, I was like too fast. And then to make sure that everything stays hot with my hot oil treatment, I'm just gonna roll a towel on top of that. And I'm just gonna keep it for 1 to 2 hours. So when I'm gonna come back, my hair is gonna be all soft, all moisturized, and all shiny, as you can see. Yes, yes. So yeah, shout out to my sister for filming. If you see me laughing and talking, I was talking to her. So yeah, thank you, sister. So after that, I'm just gonna hop again in the shower, rinse my hair a little bit to remove the hair mask, and then I'm gonna use my conditioner and detangle my hair using the Herbal Essence. Herbal Essence, I don't know how to say that in English, but Herbal Essence in French. So yeah, I'm gonna put that everywhere on my hair, use my wide tooth comb and detangle everything. So yeah, as you can see, when I detangle my hair, I always start from the bottom. So you don't want to go start at the roots of your hair, because that's only gonna break your hair. So you really want to start at the bottom and work your way up. So as you can see, this conditioner is like the best conditioner that I've ever used. It's so smooth. Again, and then I just rinse everything. And then I'm gonna do my roller set. So yeah, I already have a video about that, so I'm not gonna spend a lot of time showing that. I'm just gonna show you the products that I use for that. But if you want to see that video, I'm gonna have to link to it in the description box, as well as somewhere on the screen. So yeah. And all the products that I've been using on this full hair journey is gonna be in the description box. So yeah, after that, I'm just gonna go under the hooded dryer, do some arm work and some editing and things like that for about an hour and a half. Then I'm gonna remove my roller. So as you can see, my hair is left out quite straight, like quite smooth. So people always ask me like, how do I get my hair so straight even though I don't use any flat iron? Well, that's the only thing that I use. I only put it in a roller set and that's it. So that's why I don't use any flat iron or curling iron or things like that. It's not necessary for me. But yeah, so I just remove the rollers first, then I remove the elastics, and I'm shaking my head and detangle everything. Not detangle, just passing a comb through it to be able to remove all the parts. So yeah, after that, all I have to do is put my hair in a bantu knot on top of my head and go to sleep. So yeah, that's it guys, seriously, that's all I do every week for my wash day routine. So it's quite easy, quite simple, but you guys really requested it, so I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, as you can see, my hair is really straight and smooth, as I said. So yeah, it's quite full. For those of you that are wondering, I am 4 weeks post relaxer, so I relax my hair every 3 months. This is 1 month past the relaxer. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I think I said it like what 5 times, but yeah, don't forget to watch one of the videos that I posted before, to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that's it. Thank you, guys. I'm just gonna let you watch my hair a little bit again. Bye.